Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this amazing Semolina Bapa Pitha. We are going to make this for breakfast and you can also add 1 cup coconut, 1 cup jaggery, add a pinch of salt and knead it with your own hand. In total we are going to make 4 of them, so we are going to take some 4 coconut and then we are going to put it apart. Now keep them aside. Now again take another mixing bowl. Now add 1 cup semolina and 1 cup milk. Now just give it a mix and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it should look very sticky and something like that. Our semolina perfectly absorbs the milk. It should be like that. Can you see? Now add half teaspoon baking soda and salt to taste. Again mix them well for 1 minute. In which steel bowl we are going to make, we are going to grease it with some oil. Now we are going to put on the bowl 3 spoons each one. Now which coconut we made, we are going to keep it on the middle. Now we are also going to press the coconut inside for all of them. And again on top of the bowl we are going to add our soaked semolina. And then steam it for 15 minutes on medium flame. After 15 minutes, check it. First you should insert the knife inside this semolina recipe, and then if the peak comes clean, it means it is steamed well. Now it is now hot, so we are going to demold it while it is hot and then we are going to eat it. You can see inside how juicy and yummy it is looking, and it is very tasty. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.